The products are here. The products are here. The delivery of the products are here, guys. Ooh. Here they are. Glow head on, girl. Oh, it's here. It's here. It's here. Oh my God, who first? Who first in line? Who first? Who is first to buy? Hey guys, look, I got on my work clothes. Woo, woo, because I'm working. You call me, I'm working. I do what I do because I'm working. Okay, so this is the serum. I could about eat this, okay? This is for every hair care. White, black, blue, purple, yellow, it don't matter. You got some hair, you got some roots. It work. Hello guys. I'm just so tickled because this is how it started. And we're about to show you how it ends.
You see that shot? You see that? You feel me? Okay. I think she's not in her head, but she put it in mine. Hey, you guys. So I got me a fresh new do. Yay! Ooh, honey, because those braids were like, Garlinda, it is time. You have held on way too long. So excited. Of course, you already know the cat is out of the bag. We use our own entire hair care line, 15 products. God is so excellent. And look, got edge control on these grays, laying it down. I totally love it. So excited. So coming soon, our website will be up and running. But we just wanted to let you know, and we're going to go through all the products in detail so you'll know what we have available and how to order and all that jazz. But just wanted to tell you we're so excited and just keep sharing previews with you of what's coming up. Talk to you guys soon. Love you. It's Garlinda. Our products can be purchased locally at Salon Glow at 3711 Ramsey Street.